I don't know why it's so cold. It's not cold in San Diego. It's okay. Oh my God. Oh, don't. Oh. Oops. Oh, what is this? How are you half up, half down? Dog. You know, it's the time of reflection that I need to start adding into these vlogs. Really, I think over a period of time, I just like stopped talking to the camera. I was not really engaging. I think it's because I was afraid. I think it's because what I was going through really affected, you know, I don't know, it goes beyond mental health. It affected my spirit. And I don't want that anymore. So you're gonna hear me a lot more now. And in order for me to reflect, I need to really dive deep about how I feel, what I think, my opinions, choose a side. And you know, I can't be afraid. That's not how life works. Because if you're afraid, then you're never gonna move forward. Right? Everything you want is on the other side of fear. It's true. Oh my God, look at you. Packing?
Yeah, packing.
Nice.
Downloading movies that I'm gonna watch while I'm going.
Driving? On the road?
On the road.
On the road. What movie is this?
No, the movie.
Series? Alchemy of Souls.
Alchemy of Souls.
Seems
This is my favorite Korean actress is playing.
You're watching Korean movies?
No, the
actress.
The actress. Just the actress. Not interested in K-drama.
It is lighter than expected. Just clunkier. Okay, we employ a squad here. Oh, it's just clunky.
Kaya harap yun hagdanan.
Ganyan.
Parang gulong.
Oo, parang gulong siya ang papunta sa harap.
Wheels first.
Okay.
You guys guide me. Guide. Slowly. Ayan. Tayo. Ayan. Wala masisira.
No, the one's okay here. Okay, that's okay. It's good.
Bawa na, pahinga na.
Yeah, it's good. Yo. Down. Reset. Oh, hey. Arigato. Another set. It's okay. I have to hold up the mirror here. So. Yeah, baba. See. I like it. Okay.
Bago ito. Baba mo muna. Huwag mo muna ito. Baba mo muna. Yan.
Focus.
Angat. Pa-slide mo na lang. Tin. Ayan. Ayan. Saan siya lalagay?
TV na binasa. Dalawa. Okay, si Max isa pala.
And that's how you bring a refrigerator downstairs. So we gotta be packing now. We're heading our merry way to San Diego, back home, and gotta get back to the study life. I do have my test in a couple of weeks, so this is important. But then this drive is also important. We're leaving a little after 1. Gotta beat the traffic to make sure it doesn't get so busy when we get through LA.
22:54. Leaving at 3 o'clock. Not bad. Wala ng traffic sa LA.
There should be no traffic. Leaving right now, making sure there's no traffic. Oh my God, you just popping out the woodwork here? What's up, Don? You getting bored in there? Okay, come on out. Come on there.
Go to him, ma'am.
Okay, I guess. Get out of here. That dog right there. Am I wrong all over the place? I don't like it. That doesn't feel very nice. You know, I'm reading about general anxiety disorder, and I'm getting general anxiety. More like frustration, man. I don't know. Like, you want something that bad, right? You just do. It's like you want it. The more you can't have something, the more you want it.
Does not want to.
It's my turn to go driving. Boom. Go switch up the music a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
Switch the music. What you're saying?
We made it back to San Diego. And it was. Whoa. Oh, this microphone is serious business. I think I should do this. Okay. Very mindful about how lucky I am to be in a very, a safer driver, more calm, and that everything went off without any problems. I did try to study while en route. I think I could have had more study in the day. I did have a student that I was working with today, and I felt like our lesson could have gone a little better. I could have been more structured, given my student more homework, been more disciplined. I think that could have gone better. I learned today that I still have so much work to do, like on myself, right? On my structure, on my discipline, in learning how to be a better person, be a better man, and that's what I want to do. I want to find this confidence within me and hopefully share that and demonstrate it and kind of prepare what it's like to be me. Thanks for following the journey. See you tomorrow. Peace. You just do. It's like you want it. The more you can't have something, the more you want it.